Hey, it's Clay with Vase and BikeBandit.com. Today we're talking about the SIDI Crossfire 3 SRS boot. An Italian-made boot, premium boot, top of the line that should last a very long time. So let's talk about the comfortability part of this boot. The calf, adjustable with a screwdriver, set it, forget it. This boot is so comfortable just from the very beginning. What about the buckles? Well, replace the buckles as the boot wears, or you can just customize them all the way down with the colors too. And it's fully adjustable. What a fun boot and a comfortable boot. What about this hyperextension plate here? So, forward, backward movement only allows so much and it keeps you safe. Great addition to this boot, making it a premium boot. What about the replaceable sole? Screwdriver, replace the sole after a little wear and tear, and you're back on the trail. Love that addition to this boot. Customizable, comfortable from head to toe. This is a premium boot, the SIDI Crossfire 3. Definitely suggest picking one of these up. They'll last a long time. So, come visit us in San Diego at Vase Power Sports, or order them from the comfort of your home at BikeBandit.com. Did you like our video? Well, if so, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more exclusive reviews, project builds, and special content. And while you're at it, like our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter by clicking the links in the description.